Hey, what's up everybody? It's Heidi with another short yet very useful Instagram video. And in today's video, I'll show you how to get photo grades on your Instagram feed. But first, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if at the end of this video, I was able to bring you any value, give it a like, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, and be a part of the family. Let's move on. So first you want to head down to the Apple App Store and download an application called GradePost and search. I already have GradePost downloaded, as I always try to test any application before bringing it to you, so I'm not going to download it again. So go ahead and download the application. When the download is complete, tap on open, tap on photo grades, go to your gallery and select a picture. As you can see, I already did that, but I'm going to do it again with the same very picture so as to show you how. So I'm going to select this picture, and down here below you have different options. The first 3x3, which is what you see right now. The second is 3x2 and 1x3, 3x4 and 3x5. The last one I'm going to explain in a minute. Let's choose one. So I'm going to go with the 3x5. So with this last option, let's tap on it. You can black out, gray out, white out, and etc. any section of your picture. Let me show you what I mean. Say you wanted to hide this section of my picture. All you need to do is just tap on it. And down here, you have a lot of colors to choose from. But I'm going to leave it on black. And using this slider bar up here, you can control the opacity of the section that we just colored. And of course, you can hide multiple sections of your picture. Like all you need to do is just tap on it. But since I have nothing to hide, I'm going to just remove them. Go ahead now and tap on done and tap on next. Here you can further filter your pictures if you're into that. You can also add overlays like these. And again, you have a slider bar here that controls how much of the overlay is shown within your picture. But again, I'm going to put it back to 0 or none. If you like, you could also add text by tapping on this T and tap on the next T up here that says add text, and just type in whatever text you would like to add. I'm going to type in just Heidi. Check. Resize and position your text like so, and I would like to place it somewhere down here, or better still, up. Keep in mind, you can place the text wherever you want. That is okay for me. You could also change the font by tapping on A and selecting any font you would like to use. So I'm going to go with number 2 right here and tap on this down arrow to close. So you could also change the font color by tapping on color. Select a preferred color. Say I'm going to go with this lousy green. Oops, let's move that back a bit. Maybe somewhere here will do. Good. And yet again, there's another slider bar that controls how dim or bright your text is. That works for me. So now I'm going to tap on this drop down arrow to get out of there. To make your text stand out a little bit more, tap on stroke and find a color. I'm going to go with white and increase the opacity. You don't want to go way up like this, it's going to be crazy. So I'm going to just give it a little bit of white stroke around it, and that is okay for me. Again, I'm going to tap on this drop down arrow to get out of there. And if you tap on sticker, you can add artwork, you can add a logo, you can add extra colors. Let's add a logo real quick. Tap on add logo, go to your gallery, locate your logo. Mine is right here. Resize and position your logo however big or small and wherever you want. So I'm gonna resize mine to about that size and drop it right here in this color. Let me just put it right here. Now I'm going to just tap anywhere on the screen like that. When satisfied, tap on Done. Now your grade is ready. As you can see, the application cut up your picture into 15 separate pictures, and each one you're going to upload individually, starting with number 1, number 2, number 3, and etc. until you've uploaded all 15 pieces of them. Let's try that. Tap on number 1. It's going to take you straight to Instagram. Here you don't have to do anything, just tap on next. Again, I'm not going to write a caption, so I'm just going to share. And then just minimize your Instagram app, go back to the Grid Post app, tap on number 2, go to next again, next, and share. And then go back to the app, tap on number 3, next, next, share, go back to the app, tap on number 4, next, next, share, go back to your app, click on number 5, next, next, share, go back to the app, tap on number 6, next, next, share, go back to the app. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit so that you don't have to watch it up. So after individually uploading all 15 images that make up our one big image, you need to go to your feed. Tap here. Each of these, they are separate pictures, and so it's actually a grade. There you have it, guys. Now you too can rock grades on your Instagram profile if you want to. With that being accomplished, that is going to be all for this video. If you liked it, make sure to check out my other contents. But first, give this video a like, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification. My name is Heidi, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.